Blindies. Well, my brother's got a cool toy. And I did say we were coming to Perth to break his toys. So I'm going to have grab the remote and my nephew's going to hold the camera and I'm going to see if I can break my brother's remote control car.
Alright, you're doing a wheel stand at the moment.
Right. What am I doing now?
Ooh. Ready?
How's
Go,
it?
forward.
Ooh.
That's the curb.
Am I going alright?
Yep.
Here's the cool ride. What about the car?
Curb. You're on the road. You're on the grass.
Oh.
Wheel stand.
Hey. How's that, guys? You're cracking doing enough?
Nah.
Blind garage, I'm in Mandurah, brother, but won't be home till tomorrow.
Right.
You're going back east tomorrow. Grunt QC replied.
Coming back towards me?
Yeah. It's in front of you.
Hey, that sounds cool, man. How's that?
Yeah, I'll
Blind
put
man
it-
remote control.
Put it up here on the dirt, look.
I'm doing it.
Ready? Donuts.
Ellie's?
Straight.
There we go, that'll do, guys. Hope you enjoyed. The blind man will have a crack on anything, see? I got to break my brother's toys. Alright,
Stop
cheers,
recording.
guys.
But